What's up and welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Alifia and I thank you so much for coming to check out a video here on my channel. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You know what? No, don't hit it. Watch about 30-40 more seconds and go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you're gonna like what you see and I welcome you to the family. So go ahead, just watch a little bit more and then you can hit that subscribe button later. So in this video, I am going to show you guys how I did this eye look. Some people are calling it the Bella Hadid Fox Eye or something, but this reminds me of the Arabian look that those Arabic ladies use with those, oh my God, over the top glamorous eyes. And I say over the top because some of them are just like out there, they're very gorgeous. So regardless of what you call it, the fox eye, the Arabian eye, whatever it is, I've created this look based off of that type of eye look. Like I said, the Arabian eye look. I'm gonna say Arabian because like I said, the fox look, that's just something somebody took and put their own twist on it because it was already out there, and so it is what it is. Let's pay homage to where it should be paid. With that being said, if you are interested in seeing how I did this look using, get this, the Juvia's, yes, the Juvia's Wahala palette. Oh wait, I used something else too. The Juvia's Chocolates palette. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look using these two palettes, then please continue to watch. So I'm going to start off, of course, by priming my eyes. And today I am using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I have never used that to prime, so this is the first time. I'm just gonna take my blender, squeeze it, and blend this in on my eye. So I can do one of two things to make sure I don't go outside this line. I could put some tape there or I can put some setting powder. And because of the fact that I don't bake, I'm going to put some tape there. Yes, I've done my foundation already, but it'll be okay. So I've gotten that done. And let me make sure there's no creasing here. All right, so let's go in, take the chocolates, and I'm going to use this shade right here for my transition shade. All right, so now that I've gotten that, I am going to actually go ahead and take this color all the way up, even though today I think I may put a little shimmer on my brow bone. All right, so now that I've done that, let's see, what color are we going to fool with next? Let's take this BU. Let's just go over here in the outer V with BU. And just run BU up just a little bit. Bring it into the crease some. All right, so now that I've done that, I want to darken this up just a little bit, and I'm going to take the color Sis, and I'm going to put that in the corner as well with the same brush, just to darken that up. All right, so next I want to go back into this chocolate palette and I'm going to use this color right here. And I just want to go in my crease just a little bit more. Go in my crease with this color just a little bit. Not a little bit more. Not too much color. Just go over in there. And now I want to go back with this color right here and blend this all together. And now what I want to do next, I want to take this color called Pride right here. And this is the color that I am going to put on my inner lid. And let me go back and put a little bit more of Sis back here to blend this together. And I said I wanted to highlight on my brow bone, so I'm going to take this color right here called Stand Up, and I am going to highlight my brow bone. And then let's go back with this once more and just blend that. Okay, so I have seen a couple of different things done with the eyes as far as the eyeliner goes. So what I'm going to do for my eyes as far as the eyeliner goes, I'm going to start off with this Urban Decay liner in the color Perversion, and I'm going to tight line. And once I've tight lined, I'm going to go ahead and line my bottom lid, making sure to take it all the way in. Take this felt tip eyeliner from House Laboratories, and I'm going to line my top lid. So one of the things about doing this look is taking that eyeliner and going up at an angle. And then another thing is taking the liner and coming down. Just a little below your tear duct. Okay, so I've taken the tape off and I see some unevenness that I need to fix. So I'm just gonna take this and go here. Straighten that out. And let's do the same thing on this side. And then, let's see, I need to go and fix this up. So I'm just gonna take my concealer brush, go over that area, not concealer brush but my sponge, and go over that area to fix that up. Take the color Sis, and we gotta smudge out this waterline. So I'm going to use the color Sis to do this. So my child called, she's at my mom's house, so I have put on a coat of mascara, not that much, just one coat, and now I'm going to add my lashes. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. I had my hair down at first and I was taking pictures, and I felt like when I put it up, the pictures just looked better like this, framed my face better with this eye look. So therefore, that's why my hair is pulled up in the back with just a little bang. So I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I know there are some improvements that I can make with this. I mean, I could have done some other colors. I could have done that line better or what have you. There's always room for improvements. So if you guys see anything that I should have done, or that or if you have some tips or something like that that I may need to use the next time I try to do this type of look, then please do leave those in the comment section below. Also, if you have not done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn that subscribe button from red to gray, and then hit that bell so it can have those little ringing signs around it. Go ahead and hook your girl up. So go ahead and like, comment, and like I said, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. If there's anything else that you would like to see here on my channel, then please go ahead and leave those in the comment section below, and I'll get those videos out as soon as I can. You know your girl been on it, and don't act like you don't know it. So with that being said, as I always say, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.